Hi everyone, I'm Emily.
And I'm Joplin.
Today we're going to talk about vetting your idea. Sure, you think it's great, but you need to prove that, not just to yourself, but to others as well. And the easiest way to do this is to see if it already exists. So Google it.
And even if they already exist, that's okay. You can still find out what's great about them or where they're falling short and fill in those gaps with where you believe that you can come in and be a differentiator.
Now you need to articulate your idea. And I mean, sit down, write it down, type it out. What is the need that you're trying to solve? What's the problem? Who's the target audience? And how does your idea solve that problem?
Get feedback from your friends, your family, your coworkers, everybody around you.
If you're sharing this idea with people that you meet or people that you know and they kind of look confused when you bring it up or they don't get it or maybe they're really excited about it, that's great feedback.
Once you get that feedback, use it to live in reality and not focus on what may be a fantasy outcome.
So all you need to do is, again, don't get discouraged, refine, revisit, keep vetting your idea. Once again, I'm Emily, this is Joplin, thanks for joining us.